What's up, YouTube? Back again with another video. Today I'm gonna be installing these Lasfit LED bulbs, and they're supposed to be air free and all that. Like, you don't need to wire in the resistors like you normally do. So we'll see how it goes. To remove the old bulb, it's literally just one twist. Pull the plug out and then pull the bulb out of the socket. Once you got the new bulb plugged into the socket, go ahead and put it back into the light. Just reverse order what you did the first time. Slight turn and it locks. These things are crazy bright compared to the factory halogen bulb. And you can see those have kind of like a little delay, kind of fade out. And then these are instant. And you can even see on the garage door how much light it throws out. Yep, so here they go. Came out really good. I would recommend, just based off the fact that you don't got to put any or install any resistors and stuff. So real simple and quick install. And it just updates the lighting of the car. I don't know why they didn't include LEDs in the first place, but who knows. All right, y'all.